Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I baked this lovely, yummy fruited cake for wedding cake recipe without no alcohol. So pretty easy, it's looking so beautiful, moist and soft. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new video, so that if I drop any new video you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video, feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions, and feel free to share to your family and friends. Don't forget to invite a friend to this channel. Let's get started. Ingredients for this: I'll be using half tablespoon of cocoa powder, sugar 100 grams. It's an adult cake, I reduced sugar. Cinnamon half teaspoon. I'll be using fruit, add enough, no measurement for the fruits. Add as you wanted. 250 grams of margarine. Half of the nutmeg I'll grate. Orange I'll be using, and lemon for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of black charcoal, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup, half tablespoon of vanilla flavor, half tablespoon of butterscotch. I'll be mixing the two flavors, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 250 grams of flour. I'll be using 5 eggs. So for the first thing to do here, I'll be boiling my fruits. If you don't have orange, I'm trying to reduce sugar, so you can use sugar syrup, water and sugar to boil your fruit. But due to I'm trying my best to reduce sugar because it's an adult cake, so I'm using my orange juice, fresh orange juice, to boil the fruits. On a medium heat, place your fruits with the orange juice or sugar syrup and boil. Add your margarine to your mixing bowl while you add your sugar. Mix till it's looking pearl. You can use hand mixer or standard mixer. You know me, I love using my hand to cream my butter and sugar. Our fruit is boiling very well. Okay, take your time to sieve your flour. Add in all the dry ingredients, your baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, all your dry ingredients, both cocoa powder, everything together. Mix them together. The fruit is about to dry off, so I have to remove it and allow it to cool. You can pour it into a plate to cool off. You can see it with a little juice. Now the back of my lemon. This is the highest preservative ever. Since my days in secondary school food and nutrition class, this is the first preservative I have ever known, and it has been serving and is suitable, palatable, and has a great aroma in your taste, in your cake, sorry. So take your time, you grate it. This is okay for the recipe. If you have not liked my video, it's important you click on the like button so that other people will be able to see this video and enjoy it as well. Just give me some thumbs up. Give me some thumbs up. Right now, take your time and mix all the liquid ingredients together. It's time to combine both the dry and liquid ingredients together into our creamed butter and sugar, margarine and sugar. At this time, before you start creaming, mixing together, make sure that you have already started preheating your oven. Very, very important. I've already greased my pan with margarine and dusted with flour. Take your time, spread it out. You tap on your table work surface to close up air bubbles. Stretch to your hot oven. It's okay. After 25 minutes, our cake is ready. Looking so moist, so beautiful, so soft. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of our new videos. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of our new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can see how soft and moist our cake is looking. You need to try out this recipe. Seriously, you will thank me later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.